Okay, this video is for Black Rifle AR-15, who's been giving me some tips and how to modify this compensator, the Bushmaster Y-Comp Mini, to fit a Gemtech Halo suppressor. I've been talking about how to be able to either change the compensator, but he said he may be able to help me and adapt this one to accept it. So the measurements he gave me that he wanted me to look at is 0.860 for diameter. Try to go straight through the bore. Excuse me. Okay, and that's reading 0.8 of an inch. He also said the cut, if I could make one, would measure 1.740, and that's right about try to find it, roughly there. Okay. And then he said from that spot, right behind that first blast port, that to mill that area right across here to 0.7 of an inch. So that's my video, and if you need anything else, if I messed it up or if I didn't understand your directions, send me a message and maybe we can talk over the phone or something like that to figure it out. But I will appreciate any of your help, and thanks a lot. Bye.